The day I graduated college in 2005, I decided to start a rental company. It took a few years until it became successful enough to be my full-time job, but now it's all I do. My hope is to help you by sharing my knowledge. So today is cleaning stuff. We're cleaning sides, and I'm attempting to do an experiment. What I did was I'm trying to do what I'm calling a ghetto tent washer. It is a 55-gallon drum with this drum mixer. The drum mixer I think was around $2,000. One of the smaller tent washers is minimum $30,000. So I'm not gonna be able to do huge tents in this, but I can do 20 wides, I can do sides, I can do smaller frame tents, and so we're gonna see how it works. But right now the water barrel's filling up. We got the tent folded up inside there. You do the tent in an accordion fold. You lay it flat and then you just bring it layer by layer like an accordion, and then you stuff it in there. The accordion fold lets the water get into everything. So I'll show you this as we go. Right now I'm going to show you how we're doing sides. So sides are just magic erasers, just lots and lots of magic erasers. We just use a king table and we just lay it flat and just go over every spot. Magic erasers are the only thing that gets rid of mildew stains, leg stains from frame tents. It gets rid of everything. I'll show you how a tough stain from a leg is not coming out in another video. Now this is just me showing you the barrel with the tent in it, the washer or the barrel mixer, and then this is the powdered chemical. I borrowed this from a friend before I bought a whole bunch of it. And this is the thing running. The rust on the top is just from water that was sitting on top, but it's just spinning the tent around and we're trying to get it clean.
Hold on. Dude, this is gonna be like that. No, it's not. I don't think it is. Really good at it. Really hard. Harder, Timmy. Harder, Timmy!
Yeah, I don't want to come off.
Okay, now you switch to magic eraser. Alright. That was perfect example. Sorry.
He says
Yeah,
ready.
go ahead.
Is that
While you pull it off.
this? I
Yep.
think it was pissing more with this damn thing on here. Ready?
Okay, so it didn't work. There's a few factors I think are going into this. Number one is the tent is kind of just getting scrunched up in there and water can't get in between everything. It's not big enough. I mean, you might be able to do sides in it, maybe 2 sides at a time, but a 20 by 20 it fit, but it was just too tight and water couldn't get between everything. Second is it's not big enough for the agitators. Like when you're looking at a washing machine, there's like 3 or 4 like triangle bits that stick out to keep clothes moving. There's nothing in there. It's just a smooth thing. So the tent just kind of sits in there while the barrel spins around it. If you look at the really, really large industrial commercial tent washers, specifically made to wash tents, they have agitators in them. Plus it's a lot bigger, so when it spins, it just flops the tent all over the place and gets water and soap and everything. And then the last factor, I believe, is we use cold water. Should have been hot water, but our hot water tank is 40 gallons. This is 55 gallons. The guys here doing dishes today, I couldn't take all his hot water on him and have him wait until it heats back up. So even with the hot water, it wasn't going to do much anyways, because like I said, it's not big enough. It doesn't move in there. There's no agitator. So it was a fail. I'm going to put this thing up on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace for about $200 to $300 less than I bought it for. It did get the tent really wet and soapy. It did work a little bit, and then we just laid it out on the ramp, and then we still had to go over it with magic erasers to get the kind of light mildew stains off. And then the top we flipped over and hit it with a broom, soft bristle broom, to get all the dirt off. So the tent looks good now and looks clean. It's just it didn't work in this thing. So as you've seen today on the sides, we used magic erasers. I linked them in a video before for cleaning chairs. They get off the mildew spots really easy, or black spots from the frame tent legs. Basically gets everything off easy. They are currently on sale. I just bought 500 of them. They come in packs of 20. They're usually like $20 for a pack of 20, but right now they're like $8. So you're gonna be needing them. Just the links below. Those are the ones I use. You obviously can go to Lowe's and whatever, but they're all the same thing. They're just melamine. There's no chemical in it. There's nothing. It's just melamine. They're all the same. So I just buy them on Amazon because it's cheaper than going to Lowe's and buying the actual Magic Eraser brand. And then last thing is when we laid this out, we did hit it with Purple Power before we brushed it, because that loosens up all the dirt and grime. So the top looks good, the bottom looks good. It's just didn't work in that thing. Thanks for watching.